How to block sender in Gmail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the mail application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now simply go ahead and select the individual whom you want to block. Now, once you have opened that particular individual, simply tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for block. So tap on the block option you see there, and with this, the user will be blocked. So this was about how you can block a sender in Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.